Good morning, Doctor and my fellow friends. Today we are going to describe about the circuit that we use for the transfer circuit assignment. So this is the circuit that we use for this assignment. So in order to obtain the Fourier for this circuit, so first and foremost we need to find out if we need to simplify this circuit at first. So we find out Z1, Z2, Z3 with ZC1. ZC1 is connected in parallel with the 10 ohm resistor, so we can find out Z1. Z2, the ZC2, the C2 is connected parallel with the 5 ohm resistor, so we can find out the value of Z2. And Z3, Z3, since the Z2 is connected in series with this inductor, so we can find out the value for Z3. So this is the circuit that we simplify after we simplify the circuit. So next is a graph for the circuit. This is a voltage against time graph for the circuit. So we used to find out A0 is equal to 20 watt, and AN is equal to 40 over n pi sine n pi. Bn is equal to 40 over n pi cos n pi minus 1. So for AN, if n equals 1, then AN is equal to 0. If n equal to 2, AN is equal to 0 as well. N is equal to 3, then AN is equal to 0 as well. As for Bn, this is a value that we assign different value for n, then we get value for Bn. So we change the AN into the polar form in order to obtain the time domain and the frequency domain. Next we find out the total impedance for these circuits. So this is the value for the total impedance for our circuit. So okay, now we start to find out the voltage, current, and the power. So we apply the voltage divider rule in order to find out the voltage across resistor 2. So next we find out the current across the resistor 2. Then we can find out the total current for these two resistors. We just add the values together, so we can find out the voltage across the resistor, and the current across the resistor, and the power across the resistor. So next we will find out the current and the voltage for each inductor, capacitor, and resistor. So for C1, this is the current and the voltage across C1. For 10 ohm resistor, this is the value for current and the voltage. For C2, this is the value for current and voltage. For 5 ohms, this is the value, and for last inductor, this is the value for the voltage and current across the inductor.